Dito na kami sa Henley. Magpipiknik along the riverside.
Balik tayo doon. Stop.
And Henley Village. Ito na. Yeah. This is the Henley Village.
Ragus.
We're
here, no. We're not.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Lolo naman kasi ang dami mong diversions. Are we there? Yes. Are we there? Are we there?
Tiru, I'm downstairs.
Here we are at Henley Riverside. Oh, dito naman kami mamasyal dito sa Henley
Tuturuan ka niya. Here, sabi.
River. Yeah.
Hindi mo alam. You don't know how to remove.
Yan.
Di pa naman tayo
Mamasyal na naman kami dito sa Henley River.
magkakain ka.
Yay! Here is Miguel. Hello, Miguel. We will pasyal-pasyal. Oh.
Kasi you don't know how to.
Do not sleep, ha? Do not sleep. Oh.
You're happy.
Oh. Ah, buti nag-jacket ako, medyo maginaw. Oh.
Where, Miguel?
Oh.
What to push? Which one, darling? Which one to push? This one. Why not coming there?
Oh.
Oh, you teach them.
River and Rowing Museum.
Can you teach us this?
Oh, it's 100 meters from here.
Do this one. Miguel. Which one? Ano ba yung nagpatungan dapat ni Jerry? Oh, you hold Lola's neck. Lola, patience. Hindi ganyan, dito lang sa harap na. Modern na kasi ang mga ganyan.
Yan, papasok na sila sa restaurant. Habang naglalakad pa sila, Gemma at saka Jose. Yan. Ah, nauna na sila Miguel at Agnes. Naman susunod na sa kanila. Nandito na kami sa Henley River. Ayan, papunta na sila Gemma, Agnes, at saka si Miguel. Siyempre, sumusunod na rin ako sa kanila. Ayan.
Say hi to Lola.
Hello, Miguel. Ayan. So, this is the Henley River. Ayan. Henley River. Ayan.
Look, Miguel.
Oh. Oh, Miguel. Yeah, these are the ducks.
Big.
Oh. Oh.
They're waiting for food.
Duck.
Hi, Doc.
Hello, duck.
Baliktaran ni Papa niya po. Papa niya kanya lang sa akin.
Oh. Hi, duck.
Yung mga ducks, oh.
Hi, Lolo, Doc.
Oh.
Oh, that's baby Doc.
Oh, baby duck. Oh, see? You,
That's baby Doc.
here are ducks. Oh.
They're waiting for
Waiting for
biscuits.
waiting for food.
Saan yung biscuits mo?
From the I understand.
Meron siya biscuits?
They're waiting
Kuha ako
for
ng
food.
i-selfie niyo dahil.
Oh, selfie. Yan.
No, we need to. You need to wear this one. You can see. Yeah. Oh, the first foot. Nakikita mo na kanila. Oh,
Tubig meron ako dito. Inom. You'll drink. Okay.
oh, nabanog.
Nabanog.
Oh, sit down muna kami.
Nabanog ka?
Just sit down. Just sit down.
Ah, nabanog.
You want the
You're tired.
sa ilalim grapes.
Oh.
You found it.
Oh.
It's hiding.
It's underneath.
Grapes are hiding.
Grapes are hiding. Grab your grapes. Grab more grapes. Come on. It's delicious.
Oh.
Ducks are hiding also.
Oh, humarap ka dito. It's a picture. Picture.
Ducks are hiding.
Look at Lolo. Look at Lolo there.
It's a picture.
Look at Lolo there. Smile. You got smile.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And okay. Yeah. Oh. So it's video again.
Nasa lilim.
You're eating, huh?
You're lucky. Ayun, ang grapes.
Oh.
Resting. Sabi.
Okay.
Resting.
Look at Lola. There you go. One more. Okay.
Okay. Nice flowers. Yan. Siyempre, sumusunod din ako sa kanila. Dito sa bridge. Yan. Nagbibiyahe na ito. Yan. Yan. Welcome to the lock. Please stay safe during the visit. Yeah. He's about to enter the gate. This one. This boat. Yeah. Bubukas yan. This is the gate. Boat is ready to enter. Yeah. Here we are.
Habang nagkata ng water, malapit na.
Okay.
Look at that one, Miguel. Oh.
So this one is already level at the side.
Ah, nag-level na siya. Oh.
Yeah. So they are ready
Isasara nila yung kabila.
to enter.
This water is rising.
Yeah, there. There is the operator. Okay.
Then they will open the bridge.
Then they will open this gate to go on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, it's already opening. Yeah, there it is. It's already opening. Yeah, there it is. Oh, because the water here and the water on the other side is already the same in level. So they are both the same level. Okay, so the boat.
Dadaan din yung kabila.
Ah, yeah, that one is also waiting. There.
So yun naman, ibababa nila ang tubig.
Oh.
Ibababa niya.
Bababa nila.
Yeah,
Kasi
that is the. Oh.
Yan naman, isasara nila, ibababa nila yung tubig.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. So this one will now enter. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Oh, what's? It's now entering. Yeah.
O, bababa naman ka. Ito naman, papasok siya.
Oh. There it is. Okay. While the other one, the white boat, will also enter. Ah, yeah, it's already moving. It's coming. Oh.
Pipila naman. Hindi, depende kung ay, hindi kasi isa-isa yun. Hindi na pwedeng dalawa yun.
Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, bye-bye. See? Wow. See, bye-bye. Oh. Oh.
Yan naman, ipapasay nila doon sa baba.
Mm. Yeah.
Ah, pwedeng dalawa.
Oh, dalawa nga, dalawa. Dire-diretso na yan.
Sa likod, eh.
Dire-diretso na yan. Ito, pwedeng dalawa kasi umabot siya eh.
It's too hot.
Oh, the other one is coming in also. But it's small boat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Pagod. You're tired? Okay. Well, take a rest.
Hurry, Lolo, sabi nga niya. Hurry.
Hurry, Lolo. Hurry, Lolo.
Ay, pagod na talaga. Oh.
Scared naman siya.
Oh, oh. So we are here now for our lunch. Here is the river. Oh. Circus Piddly. Yeah.
Buti na lang pala, dila lang yung buti din pinadala mo yung tent niya.
Ah.
May circus dyan, bukas.
Ay, bukas gaganapin. Ikaw, maalala na naman yung mami nyo.
Yes.
Wala na,
Sa'yo,
apo na lang yung pinapasyal.
Apo na yung pinapakita.
Ito, we are now having a lunch.
Ah?
Oh.
No, malalaki sila. High
Yeah,
school.
yeah, I'll get you water.
Oo nga. There is my Abigail,
Careful.
Agnes, Gemma,
Okay.
and Jose.
Careful.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Kakain na kami ng lunch.
Hold it. Well
Yeah.
done. Good boy.
Ah.
No, mama. Don't
Iba yan.
wipe it with masisirang damit. May dala akong wipe in. Ayan, nasira. Nadumi na tuloy. Ay, naku. Oh, it's okay. That is gone.
Yan. Pauwi na kami. There, that's your toilet.
Oh, you know that.
Yeah,
Yan, yan, tupe.
that is your toilet. Yeah, that is your toilet.
Twist lang, twist, twist to, twist. Twist.
Natapos din nilang itinayo yung lugar na kung saan gaganapin yung circus. Pero bukas daw ito gaganapin. Ayan, parang puzzle.
That's flawless. Yeah. You put it to inside. Lot of it carried.
Ayan, palis na kami. Ayan. At last, naitayo rin yung paggaganapan ng circus bukas. Ayan o. Ayan, palis na kami.
Ito pa.
Okay.
Paano mo nabuksan to?
Okay. Alis na kami.
Kunin mo yung susi mo, di ba?
Oh.
Ayun, susi.
Ay, kunin ko muna yung susi.
Ah, susi. Oh.
Susi?
Cellphone.
Ayan.
Yes, we're going home.
Alis na kami.